Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow full of flowers, there lived a little bumblebee named Benny. Benny loved to fly from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar just like the other bees. But there was one little problem: Benny couldn't buzz. All the other bees had a nice loud buzz as they flew through the meadow, but whenever Benny tried to buzz, it came out as a quiet, squeaky sound. The other bees would laugh a little, but they were kind. "Don't worry, Benny," they said. "Buzzing isn't everything." Still, Benny felt sad. He wanted to be just like the other bees, buzzing loudly as he flew. One day, as Benny was visiting the flowers, he saw something strange in the meadow. A butterfly had gotten tangled in a spider's web. The butterfly was struggling, its delicate wings caught in the sticky threads. "Oh no, I have to help," Benny thought. Benny tried to call for help, but his tiny buzz wasn't loud enough for the other bees to hear. So Benny flapped his wings as fast as he could and zoomed to the butterfly. "Hold on, I'm coming," Benny called out. With all his might, Benny used his tiny legs to carefully pull the sticky web away from the butterfly's wings. It was hard work, but Benny didn't give up. Slowly but surely, he freed the butterfly from the web. The butterfly fluttered its wings and looked at Benny with gratitude. "Thank you so much, little bee. You may not buzz loudly, but your heart is as big as any bee's." Benny smiled. He realized that even though he couldn't buzz like the others, he could still make a difference in his own way. From that day on, Benny didn't worry about his quiet buzz anymore. He flew proudly through the meadow, knowing that being helpful and kind was far more important than how loudly he could buzz. And whenever Benny visited the flowers, the butterflies would flutter by, reminding him of his bravery and kindness.